If you need to clean that colon and need a natural laxative, I have the solution. With this prune juice, you are going to go to the bathroom, I assure you. So let's start. For this recipe, you will need 10 prunes. They contain a lot of fiber and sorbitol, a natural sugar that has a laxative effect. We are also using flaxseed, which will help you to protect your intestinal flora and will apport healthy fat acids. This is really easy to make and very effective to promote bowel movement. We are going to put our prunes in water as well as a teaspoon of flaxseed. After that, you will cover it and leave it to rest overnight, okay? So leave it there for the whole night. Next morning, you will see how the prunes are super soft and they are ready to blend. Have this juice with an empty stomach during the morning and wait 15 to 20 minutes before having breakfast. You can have it also during the day as you're drinking water. Prunes contain sorbitol, which is a natural laxant, and that's why it's going to help you to go to the bathroom. They are also great for kids. If you are having trouble with your kids, they are not going regularly to the bathroom, what you can do is just cut some apple into squares, cut some picanas, and then also some prunes. Make an apple salad and they can have it as a snack during the day and make them have this juice also during the day. You can add a teaspoon or a spoon of honey. That's gonna help the kids also with the digestion, and it's gonna be more flavory for them. Make sure that the prunes and especially the flaxseed completely dissolve, that they pulverize. That is gonna be easier for you to drink it that way, and it's also easier to digest for our metabolism. This prune juice is super easy to make, and the flaxseed is also gonna help you with the digestion. So please follow me on Instagram at las Recetas de Laura, and every Thursday I have new recipes in English here on YouTube as las Recetas de Laura. On my blog I have a special blog post talking about other special tips that can help you to solve the constipation, because there is no magical juice. You need to follow certain steps so you can deal with this problem. But I help you. I see you at lasrecetasdelaura.com.